These are my new shoes. I got them 6 months ago to anchor me to a place I just moved from. After 15 years in Pittsburgh, the birth of 4 children, the first 15 years of my marriage, we moved someplace else. So these shoes tell a story, and they anchor me to one of the best parts of what makes me, me. They also tell other stories that I've picked up just in the last couple months. They have the salt water from the sea spray in Copenhagen. There's some red clay tucked in from a South African safari. And there's sand from all sorts of places, Dubai, Charleston, and Santa Cruz. But it's not all a great story. Like all stories, there's conflict. There's already 40,000 miles in my name this year, and so these shoes have a little tear by the right toe where I'm stuck in coach every single time. And you know what's on the bottom? Unspeakable grime from the armpit of America where I often get delayed, Chicago's Midway Airport. These shoes make an imprint everywhere I go, but the ground presses back up against me. When you touch a place, it touches you back. And communication is just like that. You're with an audience, and you make an imprint on them, and they make an imprint back on you. You press and pulsate with them, and they press right back, and they change you. So the next time you're ready to give a talk, don't just stand up there and lecture. I want you to communicate. Press against them. Let them press back. Anchor yourself to some of the best parts of who you are and be yourself. That's communication.